Grass, yes or no?
Of course, yes.
Lidia?
Absolutely.
Andres? Grass, yes or no?
Grass. Yeah,
Yes?
always.
Grass, yes or no?
No, exactly.
Carla? Grass, yes or no?
No.
Grass or no grass?
No.
Sí o- Grass or no grass?
Yeah.
Wrong answer. No grass.
Hi, welcome to our new office. We used to share this office with another companies, but as the team is growing, we needed more space and we wanted it to make us feel more like weVLC. The main idea was to have furniture that makes you feel more at home, not at an office. So that's why we bought this dining table with the chairs. We also installed these lamps that are really beautiful. So we installed this counter so we can work from here. Yeah,
How does it feel? Nice?
super comfortable. We also have this phone box in order to have meetings, and the idea is to install another one next to it. We are now at the living room. We decided to keep the sofas that we used to have, but changing the decoration and the pillows and no grass. We felt that we needed a waiting area for the people that come to visit us. We installed this cabinet in order to hide all the boxes of the products that we buy. Wow. We reorganized the working area. We divided it by different islands, by department. We changed the tables. We also installed this cabinet in order to hide all the things that we need, the materials. We also installed these shelves in order to have all the samples of the different materials, like the countertops or the tilings that we like. Really help us when we are designing a new project. We didn't have a meeting room before, so now we have one. We are still missing the crystal wall in order to isolate it better, but for now we have a total fence. And last but not least, here we have the kitchen. We decided to keep the original one, but installing a new tiling, so it makes it more warm and cozy. We hope you like the renovation, so see you next time. Ciao!